Hi, my name is Heather and I'm the owner of Party Masters. Welcome to lesson number 10, the final lesson in the basic face painting series. Today we're going to talk about outlining. I've face painted a rose here, and outlining, all you really want to do is you want to have a nice, relatively thin line that surrounds whatever it is that you are painting, or you want to use as like highlights and such. Okay, in this one, we want to use it for highlights. So I would definitely highlight here. And then again on the bottom lip of the rose, even thinner if you can. And then the same thing is going to be said for wherever that lightest color is. Now what you're going to find is that that is going to kind of start to pick up the other colors a little bit and just makes it look really nice. You can also feel free to add a few embellishments in here if you so choose. Whether that be your, put leaves on it or put, what do you call, dots, stars, anything like that. When you're trying to outline, it's important to try to hold your brush as still as possible and as lightly as possible. Try to just move your hand around rather than the brush, if at all possible. Now we're going to outline this guy a little bit, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Okay, I want to do here, but I don't want to keep moving my hand around. I want to start here, place my hand down, and start to slowly, sorry, I need a little bit more paint. Put my hand down, and then slowly just move the brush and my hand ever so slightly. If you're going like this all the time, you're going to find it very difficult to get any type of straight line or the curve that you're looking for. Let me just get a little more paint on there. I'm using a number 2 round brush for this. And if you don't mind, I'm going to go over these again. My brush was a little bit light on paint there. Now, once again, don't ever feel bad for needing to go over something a second time if you want it to look better or nicer than what you've done so far. Now for here, I like to go on the eyelid and just give them a nice little eyelash or what would you tells you how much I know about makeup. Eyeliner, and also outline the ear. Outlining is not just about outlining, it's also about adding detail. So you would add in that there. You're going to go, now this is where we hold on with our pinky, give us a little bit of a good solid starting point. Go all the way around. Move it again up to here. Now, we want to add in a nose and a smile. It's already on her nose, so you can consider that as one nostril is the one she already has. And a nice little smile. And there you go for outlining. Honestly, there's not too much that one person can explain about outlining. It just takes practice, 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 just like everything else. I'm sure you will come along with that nice and quick, and you will be outlining in a matter of days. Take care and see you in the next lessons, which are going to be actual designs.